how to pixelate an image in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can pixelify any image in Canva using different Canva application. So in order to start, as here you can see that in this design I have this particular photograph right here that we are going to attempt to pixelate. So in order to pixelate any of the photos in Canva, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto that particular photograph that you want to pixelate. And the moment you will click onto it, you can see this bar appear at the top. So simply click onto this edit button over the extreme left hand side and you can see this dialog box that appears here. Now from here you will need to scroll down until you see this section of apps. So you can simply click onto this see all button over here and it will list out all of the applications that are available. So from here you can choose the Pixelify application with this particular preview. So simply click onto this Pixelify application and here you can read about this particular application and then you will need to click onto this open button. Once you will click onto the open button, you can see that the app is currently being launched and here you can see the preview of this selected image and you can choose the pixel scale using this particular slide bar. So in case you want to increase the scale, you can choose it to move it towards the extreme right, or in case you want to decrease the scale, you can choose to move it towards the left hand side. So the more you drag it towards the left hand side, the more pixelate it will look. So for example, let us keep it to around 8 and then you will need to click onto this replace button in order to replace the particular photo with a pixelated version of this particular photo. So as here you can see that the pixelated photograph has been successfully added into our Canva design. So that's all for this tutorial on how to pixelate any photo or image in Canva. If you like this video, do make sure to give it a like as well, or if you have any suggestions or questions, do tell us in the comments. And thanks a lot for watching this video. Do subscribe and have a nice day.